How to save Google Photos to gallery. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can save the Google Photos to gallery. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to save these photos on your Google Photos that may not be available onto your device. So let's say you want to download the photos that are backed up in your Google Photos. So for example, this is the picture that I want to download, for example, let's say, which is already backed up onto your Google and you want to download it. So what I'm going to do is simply tap on the three dot at the top and you'll be finding this download option at the bottom with a bunch of other options like move to archive, create, move to locked folder as well. So you're just going to click on this download option, just download it and wait for the download to be completed. After that, you're just going to head over to your gallery. And when you go to gallery, you'll be finding an album called Restore. Just click on it and that is the picture that you have just restored. So you may also follow the same process in order to download the picture from Google Photos. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.